Okay, so now we're doing page 25. This is our last page for Thursday's class, okay? You're going to have to do this amortization table and fill it just like this. So what you're going to do is first you're going to find the interest calculated on your loan amount. It's a $37,000 loan. So you're going to do I equals PRT. P is your loan amount, so make sure you use 37,000. Your rate is 0.047. And these are all monthly payments, so your time, it's not the full, it's not the 8, okay? That's a big mistake. You're just doing 1 month worth of interest, so do 1 over 12. So that first, you should get 144.92. That goes in the, there it is, 144. So put that on that first line, 144.92. So you're paying $463 a month, but $144 of that goes towards interest. So how much is principal? You subtract these, okay? 463 minus the 144, and you'll get 318.23. Now to figure out how much is left on your loan, take your original loan amount, the 37, minus the 318, and you'll get 36,681. And 77 cents. That's how you do the first line. Now you're going to repeat this process for the second line, okay? But instead of using the 37, we're going to use that 36 number. So I'll write it up here. You're going to do 36, 681.77 times your rate. And remember, it's still 1 month. Now you'll get a new interest. It'll only be $143.67 this time. So that goes on the second line. Same thing, subtract your payment minus the interest. Now your principal is up to $319. So take your old balance, the 36,681, subtract the 319, and you'll end up with 36,362.29. You'll have to do that on my test, just like that. Okay? All right, number 9. It says, assume you have an amortized loan of 50 grand, okay, and it says, what is your monthly payment? If you ever have a loan and they want to know the monthly payment, okay, there's monthly payment, you're looking for R if they want to know the monthly payment. An amortization of a loan, it's that middle formula. It's in the decay section, okay? Decay, looking for R. So you put down your loan amount, 50 grand, bracket, it's R over M, it's monthly, so put it over 12, 1 plus 0.12, that's your rate, and this is 7 years, so 12 times 7, and then it's that whole second part, 12 times 7 minus 1. Okay, again, this is a complicated bottom, so I would do that first, write it all down, top, divided by bottom, and then don't forget to multiply at the end. You should end up with $882.64 for your final answer. Okay, 2 more to go. A couple sets aside $125 every month. So now that every month shows me I'm on the back. If I'm getting $125 every month, that's my R, that's my regular payment, okay? But let's say you weren't sure. The money is deposited into an account. So if it's deposited, you know you're in the top 2. One of those top 2 formulas on the back, okay? And let's say you weren't sure if this was R or not. Just keep reading, okay? It says how much money will be in the account. Will be in the account. That's the future value of your account. So you're looking for A. A, but in the top 2 because it's deposited, okay? So A equals your R, bracket, 1 plus, here's your rate, 0.062, monthly, so it's over 12. And this is 15 years, so do how it's compounded, times 15 for your N, minus 1, and then you got your rate over your M. This is an easier bottom, so you can start right here, type this all in, hit equals, divide. As long as you put this in parentheses, you'll be fine. Just don't forget to finish and multiply by 125 at the end, and you should get 36,978.58. That's your final answer right there. Okay, so let's do the last one. Okay, how much money will be in an account? So will be in the account. That is A, future value, okay? I didn't say future, but will be in the account. That's A. Now you've got a single deposit, okay? That's single deposit means you are where? Front or back? Single deposit means you're on the front, okay? Usually I don't say it that obvious, but that's really obvious. Now your deposit is your P value, okay? Deposit or your loan. That's the P. And then this says, this should be easy right here. This is really the only word you have to see. If you see the word continuous, there's only one formula you can use, and that's PERT. Be careful that you know this one, because on your cheat sheet it's really small. People think that's an N, but it's RT, okay? So you put down your P, it's 2,500. E is on your calculator. Your rate is 0.042, and your time is 15 years. You can type that in all at once. Hit equals 4694.03, and you're done. Okay, so that's it for page 24 and 25. Hope that helps, and I'll also post the hard copies online. Thanks. Have a good break.